begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Allow your body to relax and settle into this moment. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in through your nose, letting your abdomen expand. Hold it for a moment. Now, slowly exhale through your mouth, releasing any tension you may feel. Take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of any worries or stress. This is your time, a moment just for you. Now, imagine a warm, gentle light surrounding you. This light is soft and soothing, and as it envelops you, it begins to melt away any stress, tension, or anxiety. Feel it cascading down from the top of your head, slowly moving down your forehead, your cheeks, and your jaw. Allow this light to release any tightness you feel in your shoulders, arms, and down your back. With each breath, you find yourself sinking deeper into a state of calmness and peace. Focus your attention inward, gently guiding your awareness to your heart center. Picture your inner self as a calm, tranquil lake. The surface is smooth, reflecting the serene images of the sky above. This lake represents your true self, where everything is perfectly balanced and in harmony. As you continue to breathe slowly, imagine any disturbances you carry, the worries, stresses, and anxieties, as ripples gently fading away. Watch them dissolve and disappear on your lake's calm surface, carried away by the wind of your breath. Say quietly to yourself, I am here to connect with my inner self. In this place of stillness, allow yourself to acknowledge the strength and wisdom that resides within you. Take a few more deep, cleansing breaths. With each inhale, invite in clarity, peace, and understanding. With each exhale, let go of anything that no longer serves you. As you come back to your senses, prepare to end this meditation, knowing that this place of calmness is always within you, a sanctuary you can return to whenever you need it. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing awareness back to your body. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, returning to your surroundings. Carry this sense of connection and serenity with you as you continue with your day. Thank yourself for taking these moments to connect with your inner self.